everyone, this is Jennifer with DP Addiction Adventures. It is Sunday night. Oh, I don't know what day of the month it is. My husband tells me it is October 6th, so I am 6 days behind from this video. I'm so sorry, but you saw in the title, this is, in just a minute, we're going to go over it. This is Diamond Painter of the Month. So I first of all just want to get real with you guys. I know I have been out a lot for the month of September as far as consistency, but it was really sad to see only 12 different nominations compared to last month where we had over 40. So guys, this is your chance to take 2 minutes of your life and to nominate your favorite diamond painter for something free, something that they will love, something where they get their name put in a video and just loved on and sponsored and said, way to go, way to be this amazing person. So please, I just encourage you, take this opportunity. We're going to announce today October's Diamond Painter of the Month. I'm so excited to see the 12 people that are on the list and just to nominate and love them and express your words of encouragement and support. But I'd also love to see for November's Diamond Painter of the Month, I would love to blow it out of the water so that it's a mega long video that I have to read all the nominations. So that's my little plug. I'm not getting anything out of this. This is completely for the community, completely for you. This month's Diamond Painter of the Month is going to get a free diamond painting as a thank you for being amazing from Treasures Art Studios. And Karen Doss has also said she will make them an amazing paracord diamond painting pen. So that is what this month is going to be. So yeah, let's get on it. All right. So what I have done is, you guys, when you fill out the form, it is right there. When I open it up, so you guys see I'm not cheating, there is the list of everybody, and then I cut and paste straight from the list into a little list like so, and there you have it. So I'm going to read off this list while you guys enjoy this beautiful Who You Say I Am. So first nomination is for Donnie. Now some of these people I've taken off the last name. Some I've kept it on because it's their channel name, just for confidentiality's sake. So Donnie has been nominated, and the person who nominated her said, "She is always such a great friend and always there for me when I need her. She was the one who inspired me to start my own channel, and we have become best friends. She makes such beautiful pens and cover minders and accessories in her shop." So you are loved, Donnie. Next is Cassie. Cassie, the person who nominated you, says, "She is always so sweet and caring." The next person is D. Baker. Your nomination person said, "She is such a sweet, caring friend and always there when I need her. She's very helpful and a great listener. She is a single mom and deserves to have something good." So that was for D. Baker. The next one is for Karen Doss. Oh my goodness, Karen, maybe if I jinx you and say, what if you win, you do get your own pen, just like for Jeremy. Maybe you'll win today. So her nominator says she works so hard to make beautiful stuff in her shop. She's always giving to people for their giveaways. Excuse me, so sorry. Let me start that over for you, Karen. She works so hard to make beautiful stuff for her shop. She is always giving to people for their giveaways and is such a kind, caring friend. And Karen, and then Diamond Art Addiction, your nominee says that you are the most kind-hearted person that they have ever known or ever did meet, and when she needed you, you were there. She's proud to say that she's a Vibe Tribe family member and is always going to be one. So that is why he or she wanted to nominate you as DPer of the Month. Ooh, Kelly Head, your nominator, said, She is always giving to people to help with their giveaways and is such a kind-hearted, sweet person and friend. She deserves to have something given back to her also. She works so hard making such beautiful bags. Ooh, Lizzie V. Lizzie is such a joy to watch. She always keeps us entertained with her stories, and she's a fellow Canadian. Woo woo! The next one is, sorry, I don't have my glasses on. Forgive me. Maritza D. This person is being nominated because she is funny and she does a lot of great videos and just fun to watch. We have Shays. I would like to nominate my wife for this honor, as she is always spreading the word about this craft and helping people purchase and completing their diamond paintings. Shays was giving her mobile numbers to so many people who contacted her night and day with questions. I think she's wonderful, and she is riddled with arthritis. I think she deserves to be Diamond Painter of the Month. Ashley Z, you were nominated, and your nominator says, she is an awesome, sweet, and generous lady in our community and on her channel. She is always uplifting. She gives so much to so many and truly deserves to be recognized and thanked. And last, we have Natalia. Your nominator said, I love her videos and honest reviews. I like when she shows her finished products and unboxes diamond paintings from affordable stores. So that is your 12 people who were nominated. There is one, I'm just double checking real quick. Sometimes it's hard. These are filled out in an interesting, okay. This one is one more. Sorry guys, to be honest, sometimes they're filled out backwards between the nominator and the nominee. So when I cut and paste, it doesn't make sense because this one, the nominee didn't match what was in the description. So I'm just double checking. So this nominee was Rebecca, and your nominator says, Rebecca pours her heart and soul into her channel, helping and welcoming new members to the community. She spends many hours preparing good content for her channel, and she wants to genuinely grow the DP community. So that is your 12 nominees, and we're going to go to the number generator. I've put in there 1 through 12, and I'm going to hit the generate button, and the number that pops up, we're going to go to 2. So we're going to go over here. Number 2, Cassie. Cassie, you are October's Diamond Painter of the Month. Woo, woo, woo. Good job, Cassie. Thumbs up, thumbs up, thumbs up. So, Cassie, I'll be reaching out to you, and we will be working on the next couple days how to get that diamond painting to you and connect you. I'm actually going out of town this week, so I will send you an email, and we'll work on that as fast as humanly possible to get that over to you because you so deserve it. So again, guys, please, there's no real requirements. The only requirement is that it is not yourself. It is not a winner from before, and you can nominate more than one person. Excuse me. You can nominate somebody you've nominated before as long as they haven't won. And yeah, they do not have to have their own YouTube channel. They do not have to have their own Facebook group. All they have to do is know how to diamond paint. So thank you so much, guys. Love you all. And until next time, be blessed.